We are here at Norwich waiting for our taxi for Stowe Market for this Stolen Barns bus event. We've got Pridey here, 755421. You got 158, 858, 813, 755326 with another 755. Also, you got 17205 over the back. Ah, she's now moving.
No, I'm bothered about our train, not that.
Moving out.
Moving. That's just sitting there.
Oh, it just revved its engine up.
Right, come on, we've got to get out
Yeah,
of there.
and this is our taxi for Stowe Market. It's now coming in, 745. 010. Alright, let's go. So don't sit in this coach because that's a quiet coach.
I think I'm allergic to these trains, I think. We've only been on a few of these though, haven't we?
Yeah, we haven't been on many. We haven't done the full journey on one of these yet.
We've done it on a 321 and a 90, I think.
So perhaps that should be
Our next plans.